Hello everyone, I'm Neha Desai. I'm a beauty blogger and today I'm here to speak about the Plum, Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Face Oils blend. I'm gonna first begin with speaking about face oils. Face oils penetrate into the deepest layer of your skin, and that is why they help to prevent any sort of moisture loss. They also help to repair and rebuild the lipid layer of your skin. This particular face oils blend is actually a 99.8% natural and 100% amazing. What I really like about it is that, when you apply it on top of your skin, it just gets absorbed so quickly and so easily. It doesn't feel like you're wearing oil on top of your skin. It just, soaks in really well. It does not feel greasy. It doesn't feel tacky at all. Also, this particular oil helps you to fight oxidative damage. It also helps you to prevent any transepidermal water loss from your skin, and it helps you to restore the natural glow of your skin by replenishing any lost nutrients from your skin. What I also like about it is that this is actually a hand-picked mix of grapeseed oil, sea buckthorn oil, it has apricot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, pomegranate seed oil. It also has jojoba oil, argan oil, olive oil, it has rosehip oil, and lastly it has sweet almond oil. Rosehip oil is rich in essential fatty acids, it has vitamin A, vitamin C, it also has antioxidants. All of these things together help you fight dry, very dry and even damaged skin. Jojoba oil has vitamin B complex, it also has iodine in it, so it helps you to heal your skin. Argan oil is rich in omega-6 fatty acids, so it helps you to sort of, ease down any inflammation that your skin might have. It also has sweet almond oil, which is rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, and these together help you to hydrate and protect your skin. Grapeseed oil is rich in linoleic acid, which is actually an essential fatty acid for the skin. It also has antioxidants and vitamins which actually help your skin fight any sort of sun damage or even damage due to pollutants. The apricot seed oil is a natural source of vitamin A that heals and lubricates. The sunflower seed oil is actually rich in minerals, so it helps you get healthier skin. The olive oil is a vegan source of squalene, which helps you to repair damaged skin. The pomegranate extract is actually rich in omega-5 fatty acids, which counters free radical damage. And lastly, the sea buckthorn oil has excellent wound healing properties. It also works through a combination of moisturization, antibacterial action and regeneration of the skin. And this particular product is meant for people with normal, dry and very dry skin. And like always, Plum products are 100% vegan, paraben free, phthalate free, and these are not tested on animals at all. And this 30 ml bottle is costing 775 rupees.